In this video, we're going to take a look at how to maximize profit. In the problem I have here, it says a firm has determined that the demand for a product is P is equal to 44 minus 5/2 X, where P is equal to the unit price of a product and X is the quantity demanded. And the firm then determines the weekly cost function as C of X is equal to 3/2 X squared plus 20X plus 200. And in part A, we want to find the profit function. And remember that the profit function is equal to P of X is equal to R of X minus C of X. Now they gave us C of X in this problem, but they didn't give us R of X. So we need to create that first. And remember that revenue is equal to P times X. So in our case, it's 44 minus 5/2 X all times X, which is equal to 44X minus 5/2 X squared. So now we can finish our profit functions. We have profit is equal to revenue, 44X minus 5/2 X squared, minus our cost function, which is 3/2 X squared plus 20X plus 200. And now we're going to simplify. So we have P of X, and I'm going to combine all of our like terms. So for my X squared terms, I have negative 5/2 X squared minus 3/2 X squared, which is negative 8/2 X squared, or negative 4X squared. And then for our X terms, we have 44X minus 20X, so plus 24X minus 200. So it's important to remember to distribute this negative to each term while you're combining terms. In part B, it wants us to find the marginal profit function. So part B, we're going to find P prime of X, and that's equal to negative 8X plus 24. And now in part C, it wants us to find how many units should they sell to maximize their profits. And remember, to maximize profits, we're going to take the derivative, which we've already done, found the marginal profit function, and set it equal to 0. So for part C, we're going to have negative 8X plus 24 is equal to 0. So 24 is equal to 8X, and X is equal to 3 units. In part D, they want us to find what is the maximum weekly profit. So we need to take 3, because that is the units that maximize our profit, and plug it into our profit function. So for part D, we're going to take P of 3, which is equal to negative 4 times 3 squared plus 24 times 3 minus 200. And when we calculate this, we get negative 164. So this company is maximizing their profits, or in this case, it turns out they're minimizing their loss at 3 units, and they're making a profit of negative $164 per week. And that's how we maximize profit.